Welcome! This is a short video to know about the new training platform. This is the URL for it. Bookmark the site to learn easily. If you don't have an account yet, or if you forgot your credentials, please click the Contact Us button and fill in the required fields before sending your request. You enter your username and password in the fields and click the Login button. This is the home page. The modules you are registered for appear here, and the blue tabs are the topics you have access to. Let's see how it goes to enter a module. You have the possibility to give your feedback of the learning by answering the satisfaction survey. Choose English or French language in the parameters. To go back, click the Back button. And now, you can choose your module and learn. If you want to go straight to the home page, please click on My Training. If you wish to modify your profile, click on your initials. You may not have access to all the functionalities. Don't forget to save changes by clicking on the Update Profile button or cancel the modifications. You will also find here the messages of the chat with the teacher or the other learners. The notifications and the messages are at the top of the screen, as well as the research of a training. The badges are not ready yet. We will inform you as soon as you will be able to get them. The Need Help section is here if you want to send a request to our team. It can be a technical issue, a teaching question, or anything else. Thank you for our attention and have a good training with Souriau.